Hi guys, so the topic of today's video is how to connect your Phantom wallet to Photon. Now Photon and Phantom go hand in hand. So if it is your first time opening Photon, all you need to do is look right on your top right and you'll see a little wallet icon in purple, and all you need to do is click on that. That'll immediately prompt Phantom to open, and all you need to do is either sign in or just hit connect. And from there, you just need to confirm your sign-in message. And just like that, Phantom will be connected to Photon via the Solana network. Now, you also need to set up your actual Photon wallet, which will also prompt you immediately once you start this action. So as you can see here, it is asking us to click generate to obtain our private key for Photon. Now, once we hit generate, all we need to do is slide this little slider across so that it shows us our private key and we can copy and save it in a safe place. So after you hit continue, just hit I already saved it if you have saved it. And from there, all you want to do is hit continue. And now you'll be able to see, if you go into your wallet manager, you'll be able to see your Photon wallet. And in the withdraw section, you'll be able to see your Phantom wallet. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.